Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload a reel on your Facebook using your laptop. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and type in www.facebook.com. After that, you have to give your Facebook login details to log into your Facebook. After you log into your Facebook, you can see on your home page there are a few options to upload live video, photos or videos, or feelings or activities. We don't want any of these. We have to upload a reel. So let's look for reel option. It's not here, so where might it be? It might be in watch video option. Here on the left side, you can see home, live, reels, shows, explore or save videos. We're gonna tap on reels and it's gonna open few reels. Pause on it. Then you can see on the top right corner there's a create reel option. Here you can drag or drop a video you want to make it into reel, or you can upload it by tapping on add video. You can select the video you want to upload from the folders and upload it. And that's it guys. This is how you upload a reel on your Facebook using your laptop. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.